Yo, family, what is good and welcome back once more to another Kaspa video, where for the first time in a while, I'd say, Kaspa is rallying against Bitcoin, against the market, against the status quo. If you look at the market chart, Kaspa's currently up 11.99% on the daily time frame, valued at 5.06 cents. Bitcoin's currently down 1.65. Kaspa is comfortably one of the best performing cryptocurrency today, which is huge news and great to see all around. Kaspa actually is up a total of, I believe, 40 to 41% from this bottom of 3.6 cents we saw on the 21st of November. Now trading between this 4.8 to 5.1 support band. Now, if we can see Kaspa end its trading day today between this band, this could be a reassuring sign of some more positive price action to follow. However, family, remember, don't be emotional. Be logical. We are still very much in a Bitcoin dominant market, and as such, any more headwinds we've been seeing, like we have seen throughout all of Q4, would likely result in Kaspa's value and crypto's value to fall even further. So honestly, family, to learn more, level up your Kaspa and crypto knowledge, come join my free Discord community here. Links are down below in the description. Now, as we look at the market chart again, ideally what we want to see is Kaspa surpass and hold above this 5.49 cents resistance level right here. Should this happen, I'd like to believe that we are in a mini uptrend for Kaspa, if you will, not a guaranteed uptrend until we pass a lot more crucial support levels. As it stands right now, though, the reassuring thing for Kaspa's price is this pump, I would like to believe, is enough of a relief rally that in the event that Bitcoin does see more headwinds, it would prevent Kaspa's price from tanking much further. But in saying that, the headwinds for Bitcoin, I'd like to believe, are potentially behind us, at least for the immediate short term. We have the end of QT next week. We have the increasing possibility now of rate cuts now at 80+%, which is fantastic. So maybe the headwinds are over for the time being. Maybe Bitcoin found its local bottom here at around 81,000. And if that is the case, then that means Kaspa probably found its local bottom here at 3.6 cents, which would be good. The difference here, though, Kaspa has recovered, Bitcoin has not. Kaspa right now is at the same value, around 5 cents, as when Bitcoin was at $100,000 and above. We can see right here. So better still, Kaspa has recovered, and also the developments and building on Kaspa has only accelerated. So in the event of a reversal rally, which could be on the cards, this would definitely favor Kaspa much more than Bitcoin from here, I believe. And that's because Kaspa is not just a payment coin. As we can see here in my post, it's not a payment coin or a corporate overbuild. Just like HTTP is for the internet and web pages, Kaspa aims to become the protocol layer for the future of the internet and blockchain world. And this is something in a sense that the Web3 developer Cityscape has mentioned a lot in his recent videos, especially his most recent one, where he mentioned how Kaspa revealed to him that ICP, which is the project he was originally building on, ICP is not advanced tech, it's just a corporate overbuild. Now, this revelation that has come to Cityscape here, it came to him after he read through the VPROC yellow papers, which is a key upgrade to evolve smart contracts on Kaspa to the next level when they come about. After understanding the significance of VPROC's true self-sovereignty while still being interoperable with everything else and secure on the Kaspa network, Cityscape completely jumped ship from ICP and now aims to build completely on the Kaspa network. He is somebody who truly understands what Sygnum Bank states here. He understands that these banks, that price volatility is just a service distraction in what is becoming the foundational layer of the next generation of financial market infrastructure and innovative technology. Banks evidently do not care about the price because they know builders and developers are the ones who make a project or an asset valuable. The adoption, demand, and price will follow if the building continues. This is what the long term is set up for. It's retail, it's people like us that seem to forget this time and time again, which is why I continue to do research in this space, why my conviction in Kaspa has not wavered, because the building hasn't stopped. If anything, it's only accelerated and the adoption will only follow. Don't be emotional, family. Be logical. Stablecoins are one big catalyst that I think is going to absolutely send Kaspa to leaps and beyonds, to the moon, if you will, to use those buzzwords, if you will. Stablecoins are also one step closer, family. James Lee, the developer of Kaspa Finance, KFC, has recently released the Kaspa Bridge testnet, where you can connect to BNB, to EVM, and now also bridge USDC Circle between the EVM testnets and Kaspa, which is a very big deal. According to James here, they are aiming to have it released on the mainnet soon. Ideally, it would be this week, but we're yet to hear any updates, so maybe it's not going to be this week. We have to wait and see. As anything, of course, family, in crypto or in Kaspa, do your own research and be careful what you connect your wallet to, be it KFC, be it Casplex, be it Igra, be it Arbitrum. Be very careful, always be very careful. But all in all, this is very big news, I like to believe, and it makes me also think, with USDC on Kaspa Bridge apparently, what has taken the KEF and Casplex so long? Speaking of which, Johnny, the KEF VP, apparently stated a few weeks back that USDC Circle will be coming to the Kaspa ecosystem, but not on the Kaspa Layer 1 through the Casplex Layer 2. So we should hopefully and apparently see native USDC, which is much bigger than just normal USDC, native USDC on Casplex by Q1 2026. Now, I wholeheartedly believe that stablecoins and Kaspa is the best place for stablecoins to be. Kaspa, no doubt. And I would also argue that it is the end game, if you will, for Kaspa, bringing so much more value and profitability to the miners as well. Now, in saying that, for me, the most exciting update to come for the Kaspa ecosystem has to do for Igra Labs right here. They are finally approaching El Dorado. And so far, Igra's testnet has processed well over 10 million blocks without a single glitch, which is huge news. So the full release has many Caspians excited. And we can look here in their recent post. The process of open sourcing their code should be starting within a few days now, should be starting already this week, which is great news. So much more clarity for the builders, developers, and investors, most importantly, to see what the inner workings of Igra is like the layer 2, so we know where our money is going. Following that, early December, the Igra node version 2, the foundation for the mainnet node, will be released. And then throughout December, towards the end of the year, there will be a closed Igra mainnet, which is intended for rigorous testing by the layer 2, on the layer 2 by community operators. And then Q1 2026 is where they kick it into gear, kick it up a gear, launching A-testers and the Igra token, letting partner protocols and integrations go live with full liquidity, and then the full release by the end of Q1 in March 2026. So Igra's mainnet launch is not that far off now. And this is huge. And all of this is crucially important to the future demand, the adoption and value of Kaspa. As Kaspa already has the foundation in this space, the decentralization, security, and the scalability, all it needs really is the adoption that I believe will come in time. And actually, it is this foundation that will result in more adoption. And this foundation, the scalability, is allowing Kaspa to help, or have the ability to help, fix, as the title states, the $200 trillion asset management world problem. PwC here, a key partner of DII Desert Energy, who thereby extension, partner of KII and Kaspa, is now telling their global clients about the future of finance, about the structural collapse in profit margins, and how their only defense against this is the use of AI for efficiency and tokenization for scalability. They need Kaspa, basically. The message is clear. Institutions, and us for that matter, we must adapt to the times or risk being left behind. The future is about fully adopting tokenized infrastructure and AI to access high margin private markets and achieve unprecedented efficiency. This is a structural necessity for survival. They need the ability to scale. Tokenization, real world use cases, only Kaspa can really achieve that. We are still early. Innovative tech, in my belief, will still reign supreme. Why else do you think the KII and DII continue to front Kaspa to their high net worth clients, to people like PwC? The long term for me and Kaspa looks so set. It looks so strong. Hence why I'm still bullish. And the short term and mid term is where everyone's panicking right now, because the price has come down significantly over the past 18 months or so, from 20 cents down to now 5. So what does short term look like for Kaspa as well? For the market, for the matter as well, especially because Q4 has been very bearish. Well, people are panicking. My VIPs though, We're not. We're not panicking in the slightest right now. We can see in this report here, we cover this in our premium insights in our VIP community, this insight from Broadridge here, talking about the next gen markets, the rise and reality of tokenization. This document confirmed that the $10 trillion to $16 trillion worth of tokenized institutional capital will be flooding into the space once regulations are in play. So the next major catalyst preventing institutions from going all into crypto right now is regulatory clarity. They need the market structure bill, the Clarity Act, to be passed before we see huge capital flooding into this space. Ignore the noise, family. Level up and transform your understanding of this market through our VIP community right here. When the markets were down, our members made well over 1,000% in gains last week through our expert trading team and the education that we have showed you in this video, which will help you understand everything and more. We are currently having a Black Friday sale where if you use the discount code NOV28, you can get 35% off, family. So to come find out more, click the link down below, family, check out the VIP, and as always, don't be emotional, be logical, and I'll see you in the next one.